See right now, one thing I want to know, is it? And people in the world want to know. If them should have catch Jah, I wonder if them would have charge Jah to Jaja him a Rasta. If them should have catch Jah, wonder if them would have charge Jah fi make marijuana. If them catch Jah, me da wonder if them would have charge Jah fi make marijuana. True we a Rasta. Anywhere we go, them no like we. Them criticize Rasta. But we say one love. We say one love. Watch out. We say we say one love. Don't kill the dove. Because the dove love sing and the song so sweet. Don't kill the dove. Because the dove so nice and the song so sweet. Don't hurt the bird. Because the doctor bird are the nicest bird. So don't kill the bird. Watch out. Protect nature and your environment. Don't destroy your environment. Protect nature and your environment. Don't destroy your environment. Stop pollute the sea and kill the fish. Stop pollute the breeze and kill we off. I tell you, stop kill we off. Stop kill we off. Bob Marley dead, stop kill we off. Peter Touch dead, them a kill we off. See the culture dead, them a kill we off. Stop kill we off. True we a Rasta. You just a kill we off. Peter Touch dead, stop kill we off. Bob Marley dead, stop kill we off. Stop kill we off. Peace and love, stop kill we off. And we say one love. And we say stop kill the dove. May I tell you, say we say one love. Watch this. Me say the bees make honey. In a Babylon nothing no sweet like honey. Babylon can't make honey. Them make sugar. Sugar kill we off. Babylon can't make honey. Them make sugar. Sugar kill we off. Watch out. The bees make honey and the honey so sweet. Don't kill the bees. Watch out. Me say fi save the bees. The prettiest bees are the queen bees. So don't kill the bees. Watch out. Protect the bees. Watch out. Look how the butterfly look nice on the tree. Look how the bees them look nice on the tree. Don't kill the bees. At them pollinate the world. At them pollinate the world. Don't kill the bees. At them pollinate the world. Don't kill the liquor boy. Don't kill the liquor girl, Babylon. At them a populate the world. Watch out. At the bees pollinate the world. The children them populate the world. Don't kill the boy in Africa. Don't kill the girl in Africa. Watch out. Peace and love, me say.